Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to organize Instagram posts. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, open Instagram and go to your profile. So as you can see here, this is my posts. And if you want to organize your Instagram posts, you can use archive features. So archive that will make your posts removed from your profile but can still be accessed in the archive section. For example, if I want to remove this from my profile, press and hold it and tap archive. Perfect. So the post it's removed from my profile but it still be accessed in the archive section. Let's do this again, archive. Perfect. Now, if you want to see your posts again, just tap on the three lines and then go to archive. And then here, tap on it and tap to posts archive. And this is all the archive posts. So if you want to come back this picture to your profile, just press and hold it and tap show on profile. Perfect. Now come back to your profile and you will see your pictures. So this is how you can organize your posts on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.